describe how to add other individuals impacted for the Apprenticeship Illinois grants. In the Customer Support Center, from the Reports icon, which looks like a bar graph, scroll down and find the Apprenticeship Illinois Reports. Open that link, and then you will see a button that says Other Individuals Impacted to upload. Select your agency, filter, you'll see who's already in your list, and then you can check to filter for the other individuals impacted and see if the person is already there. Then you can click the button, download the document if you do not already have it. It is also available on the Apprenticeship Illinois partner page. Once you have the document open, you can fill in all the information. There are some drop-down items that you can select to make sure that the information that you enter is consistent with everyone else's. Then fill in the rest of the information that has a box that is colored and has a red asterisk. Once you have all of that information input into the document, close the document, and then choose the file from your computer, open it, it will select it, and then upload. It will tell you if you filed successfully. You will see the item in your list. If the information is incorrect, you can edit it by eliminating it and re-uploading the information. From the Reports tab, you can see a rolling report of people by quarter, so it will roll through the quarters and show you 4 quarters at a time. If you click on the number, it will take you to that person that you just added. Thanks for watching.